May I help you? Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, you wanna go to options?
Parappa, relax. It's practice time. Bring on the ketchup.
Bring on the ketchup.
Don't forget the cheese.
Don't forget the cheese.
Bring on the mustard.
Bring on the mustard.
Handle it with ease.
Handle it with ease.
Bring on the ketchup.
Bring on the ketchup.
Don't forget the cheese.
Don't forget the cheese.
Bring on the mustard.
Bring on the mustard.
Handle it with ease.
Handle it with ease.
Bring on the ketchup.
Bring on the ketchup.
Don't forget the cheese.
Don't forget the cheese.
Okay, that's it. Good luck.
You know what I want. I have a traditional bed burger.
Me too, and I want 10 of them.
Noodles again? What happened to the traditional burgers?
We're terribly sorry. And all our burgers turned into noodles. It's really not that bad, though. You should try it.
That's not the point. I want a hamburger. I see.
Well, sorry, but we don't have any right now.
If only our president were alive.
Yeah, we can't have no baby running the store. Baby running the store. Baby running the store.
Baby?
Okay, I'm having a date with a real man. You babies can stay home and play with your toys.
Let's play, Parappa! Let's play!
When are you guys going to grow up? Still a bunch of babies. I put my whole life into opening this store, and look what happens the moment my son takes charge. Here, let me show you how to make a real Parappa Town traditional burger. Watch, listen, learn, and play exactly as I do.
Really? Yeah, I know. I gotta believe.
That's right. I'm in the house. Here it comes. Extra, extra, read all about it. The best burgers in town from all around. People from around the world come and get it. The line goes around like a merry-go-round. Cut.
Gus,
You gotta eat. Yes, very good.
eat,
Very nicely. And toast.
toast.
You got to cook. You know, doing good now. Come on and cut.
Cut,
Very nice. You gotta eat.
eat,
Toast. Yes.
toast.
Very nice. And now cook. Yes, right. Burgers, the fries, a shake or a friend. If you're hungry, simply line up at the end. Come on, people, gather round. We got everything you want from all around. Cut the lettuce.
Cut the lettuce,
You got to heat the grill.
heat the grill,
Toast the buns. My buns are very
toast the buns,
Cook the patties.
cook the patty,
Serve the drinks. Serve them.
serve the drinks,
And melt the cheese. Ow.
melt the cheese,
French the fries. French them.
French the fries,
Sweep the floor.
sweep the floors.
The ketchup, the mustard, the salt, and the pepper. Pour it on right, guys. We got no extra. You watch the grill. Control the flame, guys. Follow the rules. Stay productive and wise. And cook those burgers.
Cook those burgers,
Turn the patty over.
turn the patty over,
Come on and watch them fries. I'm not
watch
eating.
them fries.
Better execute sooner.
Better execute sooner.
Bring on the ketchup.
Bring on the ketchup,
Don't forget the cheese.
don't forget the cheese.
Bring on the mustard.
Bring on the mustard,
Handle it with ease.
handle it with ease.
Burgers is all we have in mind. We cook the best taste buds in mind. Now put it on the tray. Is it for here or to go? Any which way it tastes good, you know. Cook those burgers. Turn the patty over.
Cut those burgers, turn the patty over.
And cut the lettuce. Don't forget the cheese.
Cut the lettuce, don't forget the cheese.
Toast the buns. French the fries.
Toast the buns, French the fries.
Bring on the ketchup. Sweep the floors.
Bring on the ketchup, sweep the floors.
Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Now go serve those burgers right now.
All right, I'm off to a good start.
Checking slot 1. Saving now. Save complete.
Parappa, relax. It's practice time. Kick, kick. Punch, jump, pose.
Kick,
Good luck.
Welcome to another episode of Romantic Karate. Stare eye to eye as we poke each other's eyeballs out. Put the kiddies to bed, because this is strictly for adults. For adults. For adults.
This is great fun!
Yeah, definitely not for kids.
I get it.
Young children, relax. It's okay. If you learn the brand new romantic karate invented by me, you will soon enter the world of adults. Here, there are no rules. Just punch and kick at will. Let's try.
Yeah, I know. I gotta believe.
Yes. It is time to get romantic. Time to get romantic, yes indeed, that's for sure. The kick punch style remains very secure. Never bending, always the fast to make a move. This time we get down nice and smooth. Ha 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 ha. Love kick.
Love kick.
Love punch.
Love punch.
Love duck.
Love duck.
Love palm.
Love turn.
Love chop.
Love chop.
Love twist.
Love twist.
Love pose.
Love pose.
Love hug.
Love hug.
Smooth kick.
Smooth kick.
Nice punch.
Nice punch.
Sweet chop.
Sweet chop.
Love bite.
Love bite.
Because I'm smooth with a groove so new, I wish everybody had the same point of view. Meet me at the corner, pick you up the 7. Wear your best dress and I'll take you to heaven. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, hi. Hold hands.
Hold hands.
Face to face.
Face to face.
Get romantic.
Get romantic.
Get it on.
Get it on.
Love style.
Love style.
You and me.
You and me.
Together forever.
Together forever.
Never to part.
Never to part.
Look up in the sky.
Look up in the sky.
See the stars.
See the stars.
I hold you tight.
I'll hold you tight.
Lovers we are.
Lovers we are.
I'm the sensei, you are my students. But before that, you and I are friends. We know each other anywhere we can. We all need love, no matter woman or a man. Smooth like butter.
Smooth like butter.
Caress your lover.
Caress your lover.
Enjoy the moment.
Enjoy moment.
Won't last forever.
Won't last forever.
Love punching.
Love punching.
Soft chopping.
Soft chopping.
Sweet kicking.
Sweet kicking.
It's all about the mind.
It's all about mine.
Tamaregi flavor.
Tamanegi flavor.
Wish I was a player.
Wish I were a player.
I'm a taxpayer.
I'm a taxpayer.
Need a good lawyer.
Need a good lawyer.
And so it goes. Yes, this is the final chapter. I hope that all your questions will answer. Cause I'm majestic, now romantic. I know love is the key to save the whole planet. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or Saturday. 24/7, each and every single day. This is how we do the last lesson. LOVE, your brand new prescription. Kick, kick, punch, jump, pull.
Kick. Punch, jump.
Very smooth, very, very romantic. I love you. See you next time.
Much love to you too, Sensei.
Hiya! Omedetou and congratulations. It's time for the bonus game. When Kotamanegi is ready, push, kick, punch or chop. But not before they are ready. Let's begin.
Chop, chop. Punch, kick, chop, chop. Hi. Chop, chop. Kick. Hi.
Time's up.
Checking slot 1. Are you sure you want to overwrite? Saving now. Save complete.
I'm beat.
Me too. Hey, where is everybody?
Maybe they went to get something to eat.
Hey, Parappa! Push that button on that remote control. That's it. That's it. Easy now, easy.
I hope something good is on.
I don't want to watch this.
No, I want to watch this.
Oh, come on. I want to watch this.
Hi there.
We've been calling you all this time.
How are we supposed to know that the remote controls were the same?
Is Parappa home? Something funny's going around town.
Hey!
Nobody's home.
Hey! Grab that remote control!
Oh well, let's wait. Whoa!
What in the world are you guys doing down here?
Come on, Parappa. Relax. It's practice time. Get me out of this, and now push the button.
Get me out of this, and now push the button.
Come on, I'm big all of a sudden.
Come on, I'm big all of a sudden.
Get me out. Okay, that's it. Good luck.
Hello, package delivery.
I need your signature right here.
Pizza delivery.
Cleaning service.
Visitor from space.
Just walking by.
Hello.
Anybody home?
Maybe son.
Konnichiwa.
What's up?
Come on, Dad. Hurry. I want to grow big again.
Small and worthless. That's what you guys are. You keep shouting, you want to grow big. You want to grow big. Do you really understand the meaning of big?
Who's that? Don't know, but he'll probably help us get big.
You see, you are very small. Your very existence is tiny, 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 tiny.
Ah, where's Parappa? I hope he likes this new shirt that I got him. It might be a little bit too big for him, but...
Sonny! Hey, Sonny!
I can't believe he didn't show up.
Sonny! I like this shirt. It's perfect.
But to become big, you can't just follow the rules. You must create your own groove. Groove on, because that's the only way to grow.
Yeah, I know. I gotta believe!
Yeah. You wanna be big. You wanna grow big. revolutions all the time. People changing the world with crime, with violence and anger, hunger, whatever. I find that ridiculous, if not meticulous. I do my best to guard my own premises. What's your name? What's your name, fool?
What's my name? What's my name, fool?
What's that sound? Who that be? Huh?
What's that sound? Who that be? Huh?
Where you come from? Where you come from?
Where I come from? Where I come from?
You think you're big? Think you're big, kid?
I think I'm big. Think I'm big, kid.
It's your desire to grow back again?
It's my desire to grow back again. It's my
Getting worse. Is your desire grow back again?
It's my desire grow back again.
Came to the right place. I'll make you big.
Came to the right place. You make me big.
Getting better.
What's this? What's this? What's this? A trick with a twist. Somebody do something, call somebody and make it quick. I'm sorry, I lied. Just wanted to guide everybody through this and go with a ride. Pull the lever or whatever. Right now, right now.
Pull the lever or whatever. Right now, right now.
Better make it quick. Hey, hey, look down.
Better make it quick. Hey, hey, look down.
Get me out of this and now push the button.
Get out of this and now push button.
Come on, I'm big all of a sudden.
Come on, you're big all of a sudden.
What's going on? What's going on? I'm really scared.
What's going on? What's going on? You're really scared.
SOS, SOS, please handle me with care.
SOS, SOS, please handle you with care.
Now.
Kick it, stick it, lift it, pick it. You'll never see me scared. I'm straight up legit. Always in control. I patrol my hood. Taking care of business. Stopping crime for good. I wasn't dead. You must have been dreaming.
You weren't dead. I must have been dreaming.
Better believe it. My mind is like a demon.
Better believe it. Your mind is like demon.
I'm Lord. Everybody knows my name.
You are the Lord. Everybody knows your name.
I got it all. Cash, money, and fame.
You got it all. Cash, money, and fame.
Now back to business. You wanna grow big, right?
Now back to business. I wanna grow. Oops.
Let's not waste some time. Here we go, alright?
Let's not waste no time. Here we go, alright?
Now. Yeah, see, I am the only micromaster that guarantees to seize the final block coming, no denying. So beware, but let me tell you, son, I'm scared. It'll never happen again. I promise, I promise.
It'll never happen again. You promise, you promise.
I'll do anything, a hug, a kiss.
You'll do anything, a hug, a kiss.
I don't know what to do. It's all because of you.
You don't know what to do. It's all because of me.
I enjoy my ties, my charm too.
You enjoy your time. It's your too.
Put me back, son. Come on, I gotta go.
Put you back, son. Come on, you gotta go.
Or I'm gonna miss my favorite TV show.
Or you're gonna miss your favorite teacher.
Hey, you're pretty mature than I thought. Good going.
Thanks, but you're still bigger than your normal size.
You're right. Make me small again.
Checking slot 1. Are you sure you want to overwrite? Saving now. Save complete.